Communicating progress of task and project with your customers or your boss is so important that most of the time is more important than the delivery itself. But the problem is that creating a good report is so time consuming and even listening to it, so most of the time we do skip. In the next 2 minutes, I will share with you the method I use to create synthetic and very good report using one precise methodology. It is called the RAG method, like red, amber and green. Yes, like the traffic lights. Using these 3 colors, you will give a perfect status update about the progress of a project towards its goals. Green is okay, on time. Amber is at risk. Red is KO, so we have a big issue. So let me explain better. You can use the RAG method to update someone about the delivery of a project. You will use the green to say the delivery is on time. Amber to say we can have minor delays, the activity is at risk. Red, when we have a major issue, so we will have for sure a major delay. So you can use the RAG method to update someone about a budget we are reaching. So we will use green when we will meet the budget, amber when we are at risk of not making to the target, and we use red when for sure we will not meet the target. I use the RAG method every time I write a report by email or when I'm in person inside a presentation, so I add some progress, list of activities and the RAG status. Make sure you make the right move when an item moves from green to amber or from amber to red, for example. So you should really consider to communicate with all the people that need to be informed and consulted that we are having a risk or a big issue on a project or a task. In this way, your team will have the time to consider alternative strategies and resources. This is the RAG method. It's very easy to use and to understand. It's super synthetic and clear, so you can use it to communicate in a short way and very often. Even when things don't go as expected, you can have the chance to succeed. Let me know in the comment what you think about this method and stick around for more videos like this. This was Frank. See you in the next one.